There are also these things back here. Hello guys! Today we're gonna unbox Heaven Pegasus 10P LW Sen. Now let's finally get to unboxing it. At the writings, it says it's a GT Bay. And here's the character that owns Heaven Pegasus, Pot Hope. And its special ability is, I don't know, let's see it later. It's a Takeratomi Beyblade. And the booster is B148 booster. Here's a QR code. And the official website is beyblade.takeretami.co.jp. And we finally get to the bay, Heaven Pegasus. Here are the stickers. And here's the bay itself, with no stickers. And yeah. Here's a QR code. And the official website is beyblade.takeretami.co.jp. And we finally get to the bay, Heaven Pegasus. Here are the stickers. And here's the bay itself, with no stickers. And yeah, let's assemble it. I'll put on the stickers later because I don't like putting on the stickers that much. Wait a second. Wait a second. Ta-ta! Here's the full combination. Pretty stable, although I hand spinned it. And it looks pretty big when spinning. Now let's get on to this test battle. Guys, I forgot something. The gimmick. Let's see if the gimmick works. Yep, it works. Good. Now let's press the wings in. Yep, the gimmick works. Spin 3 to shoot. It's kind of wobbly. It's a stamina type. I don't know why it's very wobbly. I'm quite impressed how long it can spin. Can it spin until a minute? Let's see. Josie Achilles only managed under 39 seconds. 1 minute. Pegasus versus Victory Valtryek. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Three, two, one, go shoot! Hard hits. Heaven Pegasus is surviving. And how on earth the type advantage doesn't work? 3, 2, 1, shoot! Wow, impressive. Let's go! Oh! Heaven Pegasus versus Storm's Prison. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Who's gonna win? This is gonna be an epic battle. Wow, I didn't expect that. 2, 1, go shoot! Wow. Okay. Now I'll show you the parts of Heaven Pegasus. Wait a second. The outer layer. Now I'll show you the parts of Heaven Pegasus. The outer layer of Heaven Pegasus is Heaven. The metal here is Sen. The GT chip or the Gachi chip is Pegasus. And the metal here is 10. And the frame here is Proof. Then the driver here is Low. It's the driver's free spinning too. Now let's assemble it. The GT chip reminds me of Valkyrie, and the frame here is same as Geist Fafnir.